Guys, welcome to another video in my channel. Today we're gonna be taking off the hatch because we're gonna be putting a carbon fiber one that I restored. I got it pretty cheap. I'm not gonna lie, I got it for 300 bucks. I sort of restored it. It didn't turn out like too bad, but I'm gonna run it like that. And hopefully later on, I could buy a honeycomb carbon one because I'm gonna have something coming out for this car here real soon that is gonna be also a honeycomb carbon fiber. That's the goal, I'll try to do as much as I can honeycomb carbon fiber, but I mean it's kind of hard to get parts honeycomb carbon because usually everybody just makes carbon for this car. Yeah, so we started off by taking off the plastics right here and the top one. I took off this. I'm gonna see if I can get it off by taking just this off because I'm not really trying to take off the side where the plastic where what holds the headliner up. I'm not really trying to take that off, so I'm gonna try to get it out like that. And I'm gonna take these off from here on both sides, and then once I get the other one on, I'm gonna just get a stick, hold it up, tighten it, check it, see how it fits, and then I'll put these on afterwards. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. Pretty much it's simple, just 4 bolts up there, and these two right here, and then take that off, put it onto the new one, and these the poppers, because the one I have already has a glass and everything else. Alright guys, we already got the hatch on. Right now I already put most of it back together. And right now I'm gonna just test to see if it closes and everything good. It's kind of hard to close because these shocks are the heavy duty ones from Z1. It's kind of harder to close. Yeah, so pretty much guys, everything I used was a 10 millimeter and a 12 millimeter for the ratchet and a 12 millimeter wrench. But I'm gonna have to take off the head struts because it's not lining up that good. So yeah. Alright guys, so I got the trunk on, but on this side it's pretty good for me. But yeah, this other side not so good. This side, it's alright. Just right here, it's kind of shitty fitment. Like I said, I'm gonna just run it for now. But over here, it's not the best. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I restored it. Compared to how it looked, I would say it's not too bad. Yeah, there is like what do you call it? Like drips, I guess. It looks like drips. But I'm gonna just run it like that for now. I'm end up buying a new one in honeycomb carbon because this fitment's kind of crappy. But yeah, over here in the back it's not too bad. But compared to how I look, I'm gonna try to put a picture of how it used to look to how it looks now. Now the Fitment's trash. I don't know what brand the trunk is. I just bought it off some guy from Facebook. It was all burned, sunburned. Um, I restored it. I sanded it, then I re-cleared it, and then I didn't like how it turned out because it came out with like dry spots. So then I said, no, I'm gonna try to sand it again and put some resin, cause right here in the edges on both sides, like the like it was already on the fiber. So then I put resin on it, but when I did it, I guess it was too cold or something. It took too long to dry. Then like it got all these drip marks. It looks like it dripped, or like, yeah, I guess like when you clear something and it drips on you. But it's weird because you can't even really feel them. So I don't know if it's like in the resin or what. You can't really feel them. And then I sanded that down, and then I re-cleared it again. And this is what the turnout I got. But compared to how it looked like this, but like all of it. I mean, I would say it's not too bad. Like I said, I'm gonna just run it like that, and I'm gonna probably end up buying a honeycomb carbon one, because this one has the hole for the wiper, and yeah, I was trying to delete it, so I'm gonna run it for the meantime. I have a spoiler for it. I'm probably gonna throw it on this one, see how it looks, and hopefully it can hold it, because I mean it is real carbon, because I sanded it and everything. But the brand, I don't know what brand it is. Probably like a Chinese knockoff, Temu. Nah, I'm kidding. Who knows if this was bought when Temu was around. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe, comment. I'm gonna be doing more videos with my 350, also with my 4G Eclipse. I'm gonna do more content with those two cars. Yeah, I might look familiar to you guys. I'm the winner of the Throttle Mustang. I still have the Mustang. Hopefully I can get some mods for that too. You know, I'm trying to add some more carbon to it. But yeah, like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.